fucking thing.
Do me a favor, buddy. Get me some man-sized meatballs.
Breaking news tonight as an army of moderately sized Bostonian men flood the city streets. We join our correspondent in the midst of the chaos.
Thanks. Onyx here. It's complete pandemonium out in the street tonight at Park Avenue, where posses of compact streamers are causing complete and total chaos. Police reports state that the outbreak was caused when a car accident awoke a mythical streamer, Jerma 985, who sent his army of clones to wreak havoc on our mortal plane. All citizens are advised to arm themselves and stay indoors.
Hey, Mom,
until
I'm
the
on
crisis is
TV! I'm
resolved.
sorry.
Sir,
I'm sorry. Can I have the mic?
Sir, please.
Nah, you don't have to give it to me. I'm on TV,
sir,
Ma.
please.
Look at me. I'm on
this is-
TV.
trying to- no,
Oh,
you gotta,
I'm on
you
the
gotta
television.
Get away from the camera.
Channel
Sir,
2.
please. I'm doing a thing.
I'll leave. I'll leave,
No.
but
Who is it?
Anti-Jigsaw. Hello again.
Whoa, okay. Let's not. Here to do something other than ruin my watermelons, I hope.
Here to tell you that you have a choice to make. And it's time for you to make it.
You want a choice? Let's dance. So, fellas, what do you think?
This is show business. Nothing about this.
Get a steak anymore.